Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an episode on how to change your transfer case fluid on a Ram 2500. Stay tuned. Okay guys, you're going to want to locate your drain plug and your fill plug. You're going to pull out your fill plug first, because if you can't pull it out, then there's no point in draining your transfer case if you cannot refill it. So we'll go ahead and pull that out right quick. I'll be back to you in a second. Okay guys, I got the fill plug out. So we'll go ahead and pull this drain plug out as well. Try not to get it everywhere. Of course, it's windy here, like always, but on to clean the driveway anyways. We'll wait for that to drain completely, and then we'll go ahead and put the drain plug back in and fresh fluid. Okay guys, just a little reminder. It might be helpful. Go ahead and put Teflon tape on both your fill plug and your drain plug while it is draining. And we are just about done. We can go ahead and throw the drain plug in and start filling it. Okay guys, we guys put fluid in it, which is I couldn't record it. I don't have enough room and I only have 2 hands. So this took almost 2 quarts of the fluid it's supposed to have, which will be BW 44 and 45. So you want to just get it full enough where you can stick your finger in and feel it at the tip of your finger. You don't want to overfill it. It can lead into problems. After that, take it for a test drive, check it, make sure it's still full. That'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay guys, just a little reminder, make sure you guys check your fluid levels after you take it for a test drive. Make sure all your levels are good and should be good to go. Thanks for watching.